What if there was a device that, for as little as 10 minutes of copying and pasting some text and graphics, would pay you on autopilot anything from $50 to $200? Knowing that many of you are looking for beginner-friendly content, I created a unique strategy that doesn't involve selling, social media followers, investments, or websites. If you have a phone or computer, it pays well and automatically. You can immediately begin making money after seeing this video. Let's watch the video now. The first step is to visit zazzilu.com. On this website, you may generate free designs for items like yard signs, fabric, mugs, stickers, and postcards, and then you may post these to zazzilu.com and sell them. This website will sell the items on your behalf, allowing you to earn money online. When you first arrive at our website, I want you to click on this search bar and enter the term postcards. As soon as you do so, you will find that there are numerous postcard-related results. On this website, there are a ton of people selling postcards. When you click the See All Results button, you will be taken to the postcard category page. This is incredibly effective since you can design your electronic postcards or digital postcards on the zazzilu.com website and sell them for a high price online. You can use these as examples of templates. For example, this one. Using the template that has been done for you, you can make postcards that you can sell. This is the website's marketplace. Some sellers charge $1.20 per postcard, but others charge $1.10, which is a little bit less. As you go down below, you'll find that this website has thousands upon thousands of postcards that users upload, and zazzilu.com will sell these postcards on your behalf. Every time someone purchases a postcard from this website, you'll repeatedly make $1 to $1.20. Let's perform a quick computation. One postcard can be purchased for $1.20, and you can easily sell 30 postcards every day entirely on autopilot. Your entire selling will be handled by zazzilu.com. If you work for a month, you may easily make $1,000 if you earn $36 per day. Creating a postcard on this website will allow you to earn $1,000 for free. On this website, zazzilu.com, I'll show you how to make an e-postcard free of charge. Over and over again, you can sell them for $1 to earn your first $1,000 online. You may also download the Zazzle app for your smartphone. This is how the logo appears, so make sure you get the correct application. If you're using an Android phone, you may go to your Google Play Store and download Zazzle Create, Design, and Shop. You may download the same program from the App Store if you have an iPhone. You can also click on the sign-in button on their website to register. You will then arrive at this page, where you can log into your account. You still don't have an account at this time, so you must click the register button to access the page where you can do so. You may either sign up using a Facebook or Google account, or you can simply enter your email address and password, and click on this blue Create New Account button. After entering your email, be sure to check your inbox and click the activation link to confirm your account. Go back to the home page after creating a free account, then click the Create button. Eventually, you'll get to this page where you may begin generating a variety of items, such as gift cards and postcards, that you can sell for a substantial profit. Once you click the purple Start Creating button, you will be taken to a page where you may begin creating a variety of different designs. You may create a piece of clothing, shoes, or even a mug. There are numerous different templates for various products that you can make on this website for free as you scroll down below. You can upload them to zazzilu.com and sell them there for a high price. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Postcards are among the most popular products, and you can find them by scrolling down below. Many people visit zazzilu.com daily in search of postcards to purchase. Postcards are the second most popular and trending product in the most popular products category. All you need to do is click this button, and the postcard template on the right will begin to populate, so you can start using it and making your e-postcards. You can insert any element you like by clicking on Elements. If you're going to insert a flower, for instance, simply click on this one to place the flower on the postcard, where you may drag it to change its size. You may just place it there and then add text on top. You only need to click text and then add text, or you can just select a font type. If you click on this one, for example, the text will appear on the canvas. Simply drag it over to the flower and place it there. After that, you can lower the flower a bit. The text will appear on this image as soon as you click on it. You can move it slightly upward, alter the angle, and reduce the size of the butterfly. You can just drag it to reduce its size and pull it down. Double-clicking on the text will allow you to make changes. The text will instantly change to, for example, everyday money. You can drag the text to make it smaller if it's too large to fit inside the postcard. It's a very easy process. And you can add a lot of things here to make a very lovely postcard. For instance, you can alter the background and add text, elements, and icons. You can use your imagination to create a large number of postcards. Once you've made your postcard, you can sell it for $1.20 or $1.10. You can start selling a lot of them, perhaps 15 per day, 20 per day, 30 per day, or even up to 100 postcards per day. That will generate a significant amount of passive income for you. If you don't want to make postcards, I'll give you another bonus tip: go to templates, where you can find a ton of templates that have already been made. For example, for postcard, you can just click the View All button and they will begin filtering out all the results of the postcard, all the templates that have been completed for you and are ready for you to copy and paste. All of the templates that they produced for you are included here. Each template is exquisite and expertly designed. This is a very lovely postcard that you can easily produce with one click of a button. If you want to use it, just click on it and select OK. You only need to double-click to modify the text to whatever you want. Everything has already been done for you. Change the phrase to subscribe and like, for example. You can just alter the text to make it smaller if it is too large. You can enter 30 and modify the text from 90 by just pressing enter. I can alter this to my channel so it will read subscribe and like my channel. I can make this text a little bit smaller, perhaps to 20, then click OK. Clicking icons will allow you to add something if you have any other designs. By way of illustration, you may add a cat here by clicking on one. You may resize and attach the cat to the top by clicking on it. It's a really easy photo to make. On zazzaloo.com, you can upload a variety of different postcard designs, and you can sell them for a high price. I'll give you a few more pointers that will help you earn even more money online than other people do. You can get $25 to spend each time you refer a friend when you first arrive on this page. When you access the home page of zazzaloo.com, scroll to the very bottom of the page, look for Refer a Friend, and then click on that link to be taken to this page. The ability to share a personalized link with a friend, who will then receive a 25% discount code for zazzaloo.com, is what makes this such a strong tool. They can purchase your gift cards with the 25% coupon. For instance, for $1.20, and with the free money Zazzle gave them, they're going to buy 10 or 20 of them, and many others are going to buy from you. Simply enter your email address and click the email button, and they will begin automatically creating a unique URL for you that you can copy and paste. You can share this link on social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, and other websites. Anyone who clicks on it will receive 25% for free, and you will then encourage them to buy your postcard using the complimentary 25% coupon. They will receive a free postcard, and you will profit at the same time. It's a pretty effective tactic that not many people are discussing. Make sure to use this website's free creation tools to generate numerous unique designs for your postcards. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.